Substitution method, an application of the systems of linear equation by using a substitution method. Transportation. Your school is planning to bring 150 people to a basketball tournament to another school. There are 8 drivers available and 2 types of the vehicles, school buses and minivans. The school buses sit 51 people and the minivans sit 81 people each. How many buses and minivans will be needed? Now let's analyze. First of this example, x is the buses and variable y is for the vans. So 8 drivers are available for 2 types of vehicles, school buses and minivans. So let's write here, instead of the buses, let's write the x, and instead of the drivers for the vans, let's write with the y, minivans, with the y, which are 8 drivers. So here are 8 drivers. And the other equation, the school buses sits 51 people, but the buses we write with the x, let's write 51x. And now here is now we are looking for the minivans. That here is a plus. Instead of the minivans, I'm writing 8 times y, 8y. And they have to bring all together to another school 150 people. 150 people. So we already set up the system of linear equation. Now we can use the substitution method. First of all, I'm taking this equation here, x plus y, and I'm solving for y. Let's say I'm solving for x, let's say, or for y, doesn't matter which one. So I'm solving for y, so I'm subtracting both sides by minus y. And if I'm subtracting both sides by minus y, then I can come to this equation here. X plus y minus y is 0, but just the x. And in the other side is going to be equal with the 8 minus y. And now, instead of the x here, instead of this x here, I'm going to substitute 8 minus y. So we have a 51 time, instead of the x, I'm going to substitute 8 minus y. 8 minus y plus 8y. It is a plus, and this is a parenthesis. Y is equal to 150. So this is equation with one unknown. And now I'm distributing here. The numbers are a big number, so I needed to take a calculator. And let me use here a calculator. 51 times 8 is 408. So this is a 408. And 51 times y is minus 51y plus 8y is equal with 150. So now is just that the numbers are getting bigger. Other than that, everything is okay. Because the numbers are getting bigger, we have to use a calculator, of course. Minus 408 both sides, I am going. Minus 408 both sides. So here, what is going here? Minus 408. And on this side, minus 408. So this is going to cancel. And here what I can use, minus 51y plus 8y is going to be minus 42y. Minus 43y. Okay. and this is done in this part. I am done with this y's, and this is equal. Now I am subtracting 150 minus 408, but because the number is big, let me subtract here. 408 minus 150 is minus 258. Minus 258. Now everything I divide by minus 43. I divide by minus 43. Here is a minus sign, 43. And let's see what we get. We have a 258 divided by 43. Divided by 43. We get a 6. So y is equal to 6. What does it mean? It means we needed to transport 6 minivans. So 6 minivans. But now I have this equation here, and I want to know for the buses how many buses we have to take to fill with the people. So is x here is equal with the 8 minus y. 8 minus y. But instead of the y, here I am plugging here 6, because y is a 6. So x is equal with 2. So this is the answer. So we needed to take x is equal with 2 buses, and y is equal with a 6 minivan. Just let me write with a b. So, and this problem is done.